Hey guys, welcome to my legal classes. This is Ganesh Pujari, and in the series of Indian Penal Code, we are focusing on chapter 10, which is all about of contempts of the lawful authority of public servant, which is covered between section 172 to 190. And in that series, this is my 9th video where we are going to focus on section 179, which is all about refusing to answer public servant authorized to question. Now, if a public servant is asking a question and if you are not answering or refusing to answer, what happens there, which is what we are going to understand in this presentation. Not taking much of your time, let's get into this slide. Section 179 of IPC discusses about refusing to answer public servant authorized to question. The Barak provision says, whoever being legally bound to state the truth on any subject to any public servant refuses to answer any question demanded of him touching that subject by such public servant in the exercise of the legal powers of such public servant shall be punished with simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to 6 months or with fine which may extend to 1000 rupees or with both. Quite a simple Barak provision, and I have made it further easy with the help of my chart. What does my chart says? The class will continue. In between, I just wanted to share an important update with you guys. I have joined the unacademy team as an educator for CLAT 2023 batch, and I would like to request you all to download the unacademy app and follow me there also. And while buying the subscription over there, please buy the subscription with my code GYAN07, that is GAN07, to get additional 10% discount. And what's happening in unacademy this week? Excellence batch for CLAT 2023 aspirants in the name of Let's Crack CLAT is starting from February 18th, and a 3 months batch course for NLSIU 3-year LLB 2022 aspirants is starting in the name of Let's Crack NLSAT on February 21st, and All State Law Entrance Preparation Batch 2022 in the name of Mighty Legal Crash Course is starting on February 23rd. For the links for these batches, please visit my video description, and while buying subscription, please use my code GYAN07, GAN07. Thank you. Whoever legally bound to state the truth on any subject to any public servant having legal powers refuses to answer any question demanded shall be punished. Now imagine Mr. A is legally bound to state the truth on any subject to Mr. X, who is a public servant, and if Mr. A refuses to answer any question demanded by Mr. X, who is a public servant, in that case Mr. A shall be punished, which is what you need to understand from this particular section. And what is the punishment? Such person will be punished with simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to 6 months or with fine which may extend to 1000 rupees or with both. And under CRPC, these are non-cognizable offences, bailable offences, and any magistrate can conduct the trial. I hope this section is very easy and you guys understood it. Here there is a public servant who is having the legal powers to take information about a truth from a particular person, and if such person is not telling the truth on any subject to that particular public servant, in that case it is a punishable offense, because such person, as the section mentioned, that is legally bound to state the truth, and if he is not answering, in that case that is a punishable offense, and I have already explained the punishment also. With that, I am handing over this presentation to Nishan.
I am hungry like hell, and this is not the truth. With that, I am concluding this session. Please subscribe our channel. Please like, share and comment our videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.